In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to build a fully dynamic navigation bar that lets you switch between months, from January to December, with ease. No complex formulas or coding required. It's simple, fast, and perfect for anyone who wants to make their Excel reports look interactive and professional. So, stay with me till the end of this video and learn how to take your Excel dashboard design to the next level. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab, open the Shapes menu, and select the rectangle shape. Click and drag to draw your first shape, then resize it as shown to fit perfectly in your layout. Next, go back to the Insert tab, open the Shapes menu again, and insert another rectangle. Type January inside the shape. Now, select the shape, go to the Home tab, make the text bold, center align it, and increase the font size for better visibility. Change the shape's fill color to a light gray for a clean look. Then, select the background shape, go to the Home tab, and change its fill color to a dark shade to create a nice contrast. Now, hold down the Control key, click and drag the shape to make a copy. And update the text from January to February. Repeat the same step again, hold Control, click and drag to duplicate, and change the text from February to March. This way, you'll quickly build a smooth month-by-month navigation panel. Go ahead and duplicate the shapes and update their text for all the months, from January to December. I'll speed up this part of the process to save some time. If you face any issues or have any questions during this step, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll make sure to reply and help you out. Next, go to the Home tab, open the Find and Select menu, and choose Select Objects. Click and drag your mouse to select all the month shapes at once. Now, go to the Shape Format tab, open the Align menu, and click Align Left. Then, open the Align menu again and select Distribute Vertically. This will space out all the shapes evenly. Next, right-click on the January shape, select Link. Then choose Place in this document, pick the Jan sheet, and click OK. Now, right-click on the February shape, select Link, choose the February sheet, and click OK. Repeat the same process for all remaining months to link each shape to its respective worksheet. I'll speed up this part of the process to save some time. I'm now linking all the sheets one by one to complete our navigation setup. While I finish this part, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Your support really helps me create more useful and easy to follow Excel videos for you. Now, select all the shapes, then hold the Control key and click the background shape to select it. Press Ctrl+C to copy all the navigation buttons. Next, go to the February sheet. From the Home tab, open the Find and Select menu and click Select Objects to turn off the selection mode. Click on cell A1, and press Ctrl+V to paste all the shapes. Repeat the same process for the March sheet, select cell A1, then paste using Ctrl+V. Continue this step for all remaining sheets, one by one. I'll speed up this part to save some time and keep the video short and focused. Once done, go back to the January sheet, and click each navigation tab to make sure everything is working perfectly. All buttons should take you directly to their respective sheets. Now, go to the January sheet, select the main heading, and change its fill color to your preferred theme color. Next, hold the Control key and select the January navigation button. Change its fill color to match the heading for a clean, consistent look. Click and drag the button slightly to the right, and while dragging, hold the Shift key to keep the movement perfectly horizontal. Move to the February sheet, hold Control, and select the navigation button. Drag it to the right while holding Shift, and then change its fill color as per your design preference. Also, update the main heading color to match the button for a uniform appearance. Click the March tab to switch to the March sheet, hold Control, and select the shape. Drag it to the right, just like before, and adjust both the button and heading colors. Repeat this process for all remaining sheets, move each button to the right and match its color with the corresponding heading. I'll speed up this part to save some time and keep the video smooth and engaging. While I finish this part, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Once you've adjusted the position and fill color of all navigation buttons on their respective sheets, your dynamic navigation bar setup is complete. Now, with just a single click, you can move between months smoothly and professionally, making your Excel dashboard both functional and visually appealing. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Folded hands. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new today. If you have any questions or face any issues while following the steps, feel free to drop your queries in the comments section. I'll be happy to help you out.